Coinbase business account versus personal account. What's the difference? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Coinbase business versus Coinbase personal accounts. Which one is right for you? Coinbase personal account, designed for individual users. You can buy, sell, and hold crypto. Use Coinbase Wallet for DeFi and NFTs. Link your bank account or debit card for deposits, withdrawals. Very beginner friendly, simple interface, great for people just starting with crypto. Taxes. You're responsible for reporting personal gains/losses. Best for individuals who want to invest, trade, or explore crypto casually. Coinbase business account. Coinbase exchange for businesses, tailored for companies, institutions, and professional traders. Features. Higher transaction limits compared to personal accounts. Access to Coinbase Prime for advanced trading, custody, and reporting. Multi-user access. Your team members can manage accounts with permissions. More advanced API integrations for businesses needing automation. Better support for compliance and reporting. Verification requires business documents like incorporation certificate, tax IDs, etc. Best for startups, investment firms, or businesses managing crypto at scale. Key differences at a glance. Purpose. Personal is for individuals. Business is for companies. Limits. Business accounts have much higher limits. Access. Personal is single user. Business allows team access with roles. Tools. Business accounts get advanced features like API, Coinbase Prime, and detailed reporting. Verification. Business requires company documents. Personal is just ID verification. A hash-nash final verdict. Choose a Coinbase personal account if you're an individual buying, selling, or holding crypto casually. Choose a Coinbase business account if you're running a company, managing larger funds, or need multi-user team access with advanced features. That's the breakdown of Coinbase business versus personal accounts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tutorials. Coinbase, crypto for beginners, #howtomastery.